relationships break, can I share with you? Is because kakabukas nila ng kakabukas nung nag-meet sila sa bahay at nag-usap, bigla nilang na-realize hindi na sila magkakilala. Kami ni Luis, we always go to concerts together. We always travel together. And si Coach Ras, paminsan magtatawag sa amin yan. Migs, kailangan kayo. Sabihin ko, Coach Ras, I love you. But I love my wife more. Iba yung perspective ko ngayon kasi syempre magkakaroon na ako ng anak. Pero kami ni Luis nag-usap na kami na one of our hard conversations, can I share with you? Nasabi ko, hindi mawawala yung pagmamahal ko sa anak ko, pero pasensya na, second priority ko siya. First priority will always be you. Kasi we're bound for Europe on last week of October. Eh kaso nabuntis nga. So nabuntis siya, sabi niya, ano, i-move natin. Sabi ko, pasensya na, I will say yes to anything except that. 4 months old yung baby. Hanap ako ng paraan na iwan ko yan kay Lola, iwan ko yan sa kung sinong Lola pwede mag-alaga for 2 weeks. Bakit? I will give my everything of who I am to my child, but not the expense of my wife. Sabi ko, ako, magiging magulang pa lang. Isa lang yung sure ako, ask me what. After 13 years, magmamaktol din sa akin yung anak ko eh. Tama. Sino may teenager na dito? Di ba, paminsan di nyo alam kung alam pa ba nilang mahal mo sila, di ba? One thing is for certain, me and my wife will always be together. Magmaktol yan after 13 years, ang kasama ko lang misis ko din. After 20 years, may sarili na yung pamilya. After 25 years, maghahanap na rin niya ng kasama niya sa buhay. Ang makakasama ko, misis ko rin. Hihintayin ko pa ba na doon lang kami mag-spend time together? And we've done this for so many times. Nakita namin in Discovery, the reason why relationships break, can I share with you? Is because kakabukas nila ng kakabukas nung nag-meet sila sa bahay at nag-usap, bigla nilang na-realize hindi na sila magkakilala. Because they both have grown apart. Personally, I cannot afford it. So as much as we can, the love language that we could really give to one another is the word intentional.